Watch the full video without skipping not to miss out important points. This is the part 3 of fuel injector overhaul series. Mounting your fuel injector back on the engine. This is a Daihatsu 6DC32 engine. Check and clean the nozzle holder guide space or fuel injector seating area. Before installing the fuel injector back on engine, check for condition of fuel injection valve bush. Clean the surfaces properly and do a lapping with a fine lapping paste. Take the injector which is pressure tested and ready to be installed. Install the gasket. Install the O-rings. Apply heat resistant coating on the gasket and O-rings. While installing the fuel injector, the pin on the body should match with the groove on the cylinder head. Slowly place the fuel injector onto the cylinder head by taking care of the O-rings and the gasket. Here you can see that the injector is seated properly with the pin on the injector is matched properly with the groove on the cylinder head. Place the support on the injector. Tighten the nut to the torque specified in the manual. Check that the fuel oil connector seat on the fuel injector is visible. It makes sure that the fuel injector is properly seated. Insert the fuel oil inlet connector by making sure that the faces of both sides are clean and smooth. Damaged face will cause leaking of fuel oil. Install the fuel oil high pressure block after fitting O-rings on either side of fuel pump and cylinder head side. Tighten the bolts to the torque specified in the manual. Mount back the cylinder head cover. Now bring back the engine to the normal condition, start the engine and watch that exhaust temperatures are normal.